Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today is all about batteries. Do you ever wonder yourself how it is a cordless drill battery inside? Well, today we have three batteries, two similar 12 volt batteries in 2 ampere hours and one in 4 ampere hours 12 volt. And I wonder how it looks inside. What is the compartment? How it works, this battery? Well, today we are going to find out together, because we are going to make a disassemble of these batteries. Two of these batteries, this is the Parkside PAPK12A1, it belongs to the ex-Parkside 12 volt team, and this it belongs to the ex-Parkside 12 volt team. This is 4 ampere hours. It is new one batteries, those two, and this is quite an older battery. And it is the differences between those two batteries. It is the design. You can see here this line, it's a little bit different from the other. This is a little bit outside from this line, and that makes them quite different, because you cannot use them to the same tool. You cannot use them with the same charger, and that is a problem. You need to buy these batteries, the new one. Well, this belongs to the cordless drill Parkside. This and this, to the new one and to the older one. You can see right in the corner my videos of the unboxing and testing of the new one and the differences between them. Of course, you can see in my other video how much power you can get from these two batteries, how much time you can work with these two batteries. Well, let's see the specs. Here we do have 12 volt, 2 ampere hour, 24 watt hours. You can see the model, some instructions, etc, etc. And this one again, this 12 volt, 2 ampere hours, PAP12A1, other model, manufactured 2018. That doesn't say when it, no, 2019 of February. And the other one is this one. We have 12 volt, 4 ampere hours, 48 watt hours, manufactured 2019 model. This is the model B1. Oh, let's go for disassembly to see what is going on inside. But before starting, I would like to see how much is the weight of these batteries. Oh, let's see. This is the older one. It's 191 grams. The newer one, it's 186 grams. 5 grams less weight. And this, of course, you expect to be twice, is 403 grams, because it's a larger ampere hours battery. Okay, now starting from the oldest one, we have two screws here. Just need to take them out. It will be very easy. There they are. This is the BMS board. It's the first thing that you can see. Let's bring it closer. You can see how it is inside. And let's take it out. Very easy. And we are going to reveal the batteries. The batteries is, as you can see, 2000 milliamps, Li-ion technology. Here's the better. Grizzly, manufactured on 2018, 12101, the model. And you can see how it looks inside. The temperature sensor. Okay, let's move on to the newest battery from the Parkside X 12 volt team. Again, we have 2 screws here. And again, first thing that you're going to see is the BMS board. And from here we can take it out. Come on, you. Okay, here it is. Well, let's see. And again, Grizzly. It says 2018 1101. 2000 milliamps. Leon. The temperature sensor is here. Let's see the differences between them. Better or worst? Oh, I cannot tell. But here's the differences and how it looks inside. Both of them. And okay, let's move to the last one. The last one and the bigger one. We have 4 screws. One. Okay, and the 4. Let's take out this, how it looks, side, and here's the battery. First look, we're going to see 3 batteries, and again this is a Grizzly 2019 0101 3.6 volt 2000 ampere hours. And I'm going to take it just like that out. There's the plastic. And let me see, I'm trying to take out on this. Okay, just pull it gently. And here is the other batteries, assuming is the same. Leon 3.6, Grizzly 2000 milliamps battery. And let's see, the BMS board is of course different because we have 6 batteries of those on 12 volts. You can see how is the BMS. Here, temperature sensor. Again, you can see the BMS. Well, that is and the last of these batteries. Now you know how it looks these batteries inside. And without that, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, of course is your choice. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. And don't you forget, I buy this tool, I test it, that you don't have to go and buy it and say what a crap is that. And I'm definitely saying my honest opinion. And share this video. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.